Welcome to your study point. Video contain computer-related frequently asked questions in Indian government exams. Let's begin with our first question. Name the input device that accepts input when the user places a fingertip on the computer screen. Joystick, light pen, trackball, touch screen. Correct answer is touch screen. Optical character recognition, OCR, is also known as intelligent code recognition, intermediate code recognition, intermediate character recognition, intelligent character recognition. Correct answer is intelligent character recognition. Which of the following is a handheld electro-optical pointing device? It is also called mouse pen, joystick, light pen, trackball, touchscreen. Correct answer is light pen. Joystick allows movements in which directions? Up and down, left and right. Both mentioned above. None of the above. Correct answer is both mentioned above. The basic touchscreen has three main components. It includes touch sensor, controller, and transmitter, receiver, software driver. None of the above. Correct answer is software driver. An external bus standard used for transferring data to and from digital devices is called serial port, firmware, parallel port, USB. Correct answer is USB. Which printer is also called pin printer, laser printer, drum printer, daisy wheel printer, dot matrix printer? Correct answer is dot matrix printer. Which of the following is also known as reflective scanner? Handheld scanner, flatbed scanner, drum scanner. None of the above. Correct answer is flatbed scanner. A scanner that is moved by hand over the material being captured is known as sheet scanner, flatbed scanner, drum scanner, handheld scanner. Correct answer is handheld scanner. MICR reads the characters by examining their shapes in which form? Binary, matrix, numeric, alphanumeric. Correct answer is matrix. Where would you find the letters QWERTY? Joystick, light pen, numeric pad, keyboard. Correct answer is keyboard. What does a light pen contain? Lead, ink, light sensing elements. None of the above. Correct answer is light sensing elements. Thank you for watching the video. Comment your score and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more educational content.